Welcome to the Hillsboro Police Department's Body-Worn Camera 2.0. Back in June of 2017, we spoke to you about a body-worn camera grant and how we plan to implement this project. We looked at the best technology available and also examined the best practices across the country. We met with you, our community members, in various forums and took your recommendations to heart. We have held many trainings with our officers throughout the camera rollout. They learned about the camera technology and, more importantly, when to record video and when not to. We know one of the community's biggest concerns is privacy. If the community is concerned, so are we. Privacy is important, and we kept that in mind while we developed our policy and training. Officers will announce at the beginning of an interaction if the conversation is being recorded, or as soon as that can be accomplished without causing jeopardy to the officer, any other person, and without unreasonably impairing the criminal investigation. Once activated, the body cameras will record the activity until the officer believes his or her direct participation in the incident is complete. At the end of an officer's on-duty shift, body cameras will be docked. Officers cannot edit, alter, erase, or make copies of the videos. Recordings will be retained for at least 180 days and not more than 30 months if not related to a court proceeding or ongoing criminal investigation. The implementation of the body-worn cameras is another way the Hillsboro Police Department is working to provide transparency to our community. The cameras will not be a perfect solution for all situations, but we believe they provide a significant benefit to the community and our officers. The Hillsboro Police Department and the City of Hillsboro are excited to be using these cameras. For more information, please visit our website.